I remember the first time that a brand paid me $3,600 for 4 hours of work to be a model for them. I started realizing that in order to become a model and to become a paid model, that it's more than just your height, your age, your look, which a lot of times people think, oh, I can't be a model because I don't look like XYZ. But the reality is, if you just have the belief that you can put in the work to do proper branding, branding is going to be really what sets you apart from all of the other noise that is in the industry, all of the other competition that is out there. I have been modeling now for about 12 years, and I have worked with some global brands around the world. And in that process, I have worked with models of all ages, all heights, yes, models in their 70s, models who were 5'3", and we all stood out in a way that a brand was willing to pay us. But it was all based on proper branding. So instead of thinking that you have no chance of becoming a model, how about you start retraining your mind and figuring out the ways that you can brand yourself to get the attention of agencies and brands who want to pay you?